Yes, you good? Jesus, peace. Yo, brother. So wait there. It coming like say get rich and switching on my dad. One, I can't see you. Eh? One. The man get rich and switch. Bombat. Neck back. Yo. What go on for you now? A long time I see you. Tell me something good now. Yes, man, fast in your business. Jesus, peace. Hey, I just the other day me a chat here, you know. I just the other day me a chat here. Berna, Wagwan, you still there with Dirty Larry? Picky egg Larry, are you that? A long time I don't see you, you know. Yo, my Dan, you know some things say you're dead. But things say you're dead like that, you know, my Dan. Man, buckle my youth. Yo, you know understand? Yo, I say my things say you're dead. Rotted. Yo, Larry, what go on, my Dan? Yo, so you there? You good though? Everything good? Family good? Eh? So you want to something? A little thing the way it come back to the day. I can get it right now. Because I'm a destiny, brother.